Hi, welcome back. So we are now going to discuss how to delegate administration tasks using delegated groups within Salesforce.com. So as an organization grows, the task of maintaining all the different aspects of a Salesforce implementation becomes even more daunting. Using delegated groups, we can delegate and allow certain administrative functions to certain users. From user administration, profile assignment, and down to custom object administration, we can assign any of these tasks using these delegated groups. So for this section, we are creating delegated groups for Mojo Electronics, which will have extended permissions regarding administration of the system. This helps in offloading some of the minor administrative tasks from our administrators. So in this video, we will be performing three main tasks regarding delegated administration. First is to create the actual delegated group. Next is to assign actual users to our delegated group. And then lastly would be to assign roles and subordinate to an assignable profile and find out which custom objects are allowed for administration within our delegated group. So to start off, let's just go to Salesforce, go to Security Controls, and go to Delegated Administration. Next, let's click on New to create our new delegated group. Locate our delegated group name, which is Extended Admins. Next, we check the checkbox Enable Group for Login Access. This allows delegated administrators to log in as users under roles they were given admin access to. So to finalize our changes, let's click on Save. So after creating our delegated group, we can now start assigning users to that group. So to start off on the delegated administrators list, let's click on Add. Let's select a user or a role by clicking on this lookup icon. Let's select Mike Murphy, which is a salesperson, and click on Save. The next task would be to assign which roles and subordinates we would give admin access to the delegated group. So once added, delegated administrators can create or edit users under these roles, as well as log in as any user under that role. So to start off, let's just click on Add under User Administration. Click on the lookup icon. So let's select Customer Support International. Click on Customer Support North America. Click on International Sales before finally clicking on Western Sales Team. You could click Save to finalize your changes. Alternatively, you can click on Save and More in case you want to add more than 5 roles and subordinates for our delegated group. So let's click on Save to finalize our change. Next, we're going to add the profiles which the delegated administrators can assign to the users they create or edit. So let's just click on Add. Click on the lookup icon. Select High Volume Customer Portal User. Custom Sales Profile. Click on International Sales, as well as click on Western Profile. So these are all the profiles that a user under the delegated group can assign to any new user that they have access to create or edit. So let's just click on Save. So after adding our assignable profiles, as well as the roles and subordinates that this delegated group can actually create users for, we are now going to add some custom objects that we can allow this delegated group to administer. So nearly all aspects of the custom object can be administered by the delegated users. So to start off, let's just go to click Add under Custom Object Administration and select our objects using the lookup icon. So first, let's select Shipment. Click on Shipment Item as well. Let's click on Save to finalize our change. Additionally, delegating all tasks like user administration and custom administration onto one delegated group is perfectly possible. Ideally, it would be better to create multiple groups, with each group having very specific or limited system administration tasks, ensuring that the security model for our implementation is always as robust as possible. So in the last video, we are going back to validation rules and workflows. discussing how to make them future-proof in light of further customizations, integrations, and data migration tasks.